In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Facebook business page private. Start by opening facebook.com while you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before you change any settings. After you are on your business page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open the main account menu where you can access your privacy and page settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Click Settings to open the full settings area for your account and page controls. When the settings page opens, look for the Audience and Visibility section. In that section, click How People Find and Contact You. This area controls how visible your page is to people both on Facebook and outside of Facebook. First, find the setting called Allow Search Engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. Turn this toggle off. This helps reduce the chance of your business page appearing in search engine results outside of Facebook. Next, stay in the same section and look for the option called Allow Your Page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. Turn this toggle off as well. This will help prevent Facebook from suggesting your page to users who are browsing pages like yours. Once that is done, go back to the Audience and Visibility section and click Followers and Public Content. This section lets you control who can view certain public page-related activity. In Followers and Public Content, find the option called Who Can See the People and Pages You Follow. Change that setting to Only Me. This makes that part of your activity private so other people cannot view it. Then find Public Post Notifications and change that setting to Only Me as well. This limits the visibility of those notifications and gives you more privacy around your page activity. After you apply these changes, your Facebook business page will be less discoverable and more private in the areas Facebook allows you to control. Keep in mind that business pages are designed to be public, so these settings mainly reduce visibility and recommendations rather than making the page completely hidden. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.